Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel can be an incredibly lucrative venture, especially when leveraging the power of AI to streamline video production. One channel, which creates extremely simple YouTube shorts targeting the massive Marvel fanbase, has achieved remarkable success. Their videos, which involve reimagining Marvel characters in various unique forms like animals or cars, regularly garner millions of views, generating an estimated $192,000 monthly. Using a combination of AI tools, you can replicate this success without needing advanced technical or video editing skills. To start, the process involves 3 key AI tools to create engaging content quickly and efficiently. The first step is generating the foundational text for your videos using ChatGPT. By providing a specific prompt, you can request ChatGPT to create unique and engaging quotes or phrases for a Marvel character. These quotes are structured into 3 components: the character's name, a hook to pique viewer curiosity, and a concluding punchline. ChatGPT's output can be easily copied into a table format, making it ideal for seamless integration into the next stages of the workflow. The second step focuses on visuals, where tools like Leonardo AI or alternatives like Midjourney come into play. Using prompts such as Captain America as a tiger, you can generate stunning, creative images that blend the original superhero with an imaginative twist. Alongside these transformed images, you'll also need original images of the characters, which can be produced within the same platform. Once the visuals are generated, tools like Photoroom can remove the backgrounds from the original images to give them a polished look. These images are then organized into folders for later use in video creation. For the final stage, Canva serves as the primary tool to bring your content together into videos. After setting up a blank YouTube Shorts template in Canva, upload the images generated earlier and adjust the layout to fit a short, snappy format. Begin by setting the creatively reimagined superhero image as the background, ensuring it is displayed dynamically with animations like photo zoom. The original superhero image can appear later in the video with animations such as tumble, creating a visually engaging transition. Adding text placeholders for the topic, first part, and second part is crucial for integrating the quotes generated by ChatGPT. These text elements are styled and positioned for maximum readability, with timing adjustments ensuring they appear sequentially, first the hook, then the punchline. By using Canva's bulk create feature, you can automate the process of populating these text placeholders with your prepared data. After connecting the data to the respective text boxes, Canva can automatically generate multiple videos based on the quotes and images provided. Once your videos are generated, they can be reviewed and downloaded in bulk. This process can be repeated to produce hundreds or even thousands of videos, ready for upload across platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. The simplicity and efficiency of this workflow, combined with the vast appeal of popular franchises like Marvel, provide an excellent foundation for a profitable faceless channel. The key to success lies in consistency and scalability. By regularly creating and uploading content, your channel can achieve significant reach and engagement, translating into substantial ad revenue and potential sponsorship deals. With the right approach, it's possible to generate over $13,000 monthly, even as a beginner, leveraging the combined power of AI and automation. This method is accessible, cost-effective, and ideal for anyone looking to capitalize on the growing demand for short-form video content.